Sweet pokey okey.
So they had a nice little plane ride. He did really good on the plane. We called the raffle about 7:30, 7:45, and we want you all to come up and play the raffle because that's what helps support the car show. And we have Dano live in the house.
Hey, how about
you
that?
You guys gotta know Dano. He's on Facebook page. He records shows and beaches and up and down the coast and everywhere. He's everywhere.
Thank you, Diane.
Thank you, Dano.
You're welcome. Hey, how about that?
hey, it's Dano live right
It
here.
is, right here.
He's world famous right here in Southern California. Next to Pete Hawk, that's the picture right there, boy.
Yeah, huh?
Two incredible guys along with Rod Sexton that makes the trophies.
Wow, look at that.
So,
what
anyway,
a
it's band night. So we have a special trophy for bands. We have a trophy for People's Choice. You look at the yellow tag on the car and there's a number on there. You pick the number of your favorite car. Come up here and tell me, and I will write it down. So, come on up. And take your red tickets and put it in the small drum up here, because it's good for 50% of the money that comes in at the car show tonight. So, if there's 50 cars, you get $25. Unless you buy more tickets. So let's work it up. Let's get it up to $1,000 tonight. How about that? Woo! Wouldn't that be nice? Somebody go home with $1,000? That would be cool. Come on, let's fill this place up. Play the raffle 50-50. Hey, you guys, enjoy your wonderful evening, and don't forget to come up here and get a flyer for Pete Hawk's full Mountain Valley community.
Check this out, huh? How effing cool is that, huh? How cool is that?
So there will be
Pete gonna grab that.
Show next Friday. The Friday after that is Volkswagen's.
That's 62, huh? 62 and 62. They're both white, they both got red guts, and they're both Impalas. How about that?
Everybody's gonna miss me, right? Are you all sleeping or what?
Look at that. Looks like got a 348 truck motor in it.
Nobody's gonna miss me next week.
Rear seat speaker, red.
Just her, right here.
How about that?
Okay, he's gonna miss me
Twice
too.
antennas on this drop top.
And Bob, he's just not listening to me at all.
Look at this Hudson, huh? Yeah, Pete, we need this at your show.
Well,
Look at this.
Miss me. My goodness. Anyway, I want you
How
all to
about
have a
that?
wonderful evening.
Dad, you'd be turning in your grave if you'd see your son driving one of these, huh? 54 Hudson is as old as your son. Twin H power. How sweet is this? Hey, Rick, SCC represent. He's here with his El Camino. Yeah. But look at back to this Hudson. Red leather. Look at this thing.
Father's Day, Deer
This is.
special trophy for
This thing is dialed in, man. How about that? Twin H power. Whoa. Yeah, here, the ball's right here. Look at this Ford here. It's like a 36. How about that? But look at this. Back to this Hudson wide whites, wire wheels, Twin H power. Oh man, it's as old as me. We both gonna turn 65 this year. Dang. How about that? Yeah, look at that, huh? 34. We got Mike back there. He's been in vacation. Welcome back, Mike. Good. And this is his awesome orange over yellow 54 pick 'em up truck. That'd be like, what the hey? What's this? Did this get lost?
Yeah, no, it was in line real early.
Oh, really? Look at this Corvair, huh? It is for sale. Look at that. You can take away and drive this real hot rod, Pulling pedal, pushing pedals, pulling gears.
Dano live.
Hey!
How you doing, bud?
What's up, Larry? What do you bring today, Larry?
Van knife.
Oh, okay. Mustang. Larry brought his van. Well, no, I think he brought his GTX actually. Let's go see it. This is like Mopar Row. Could have fooled me and said it was Mopar Row. I would have believed you. Or Mopar night. We got a whole bunch of Mopars. Yeah, huh? Looks good in line. It is, huh? We got 340. Brand new air conditioning pump. Yeah. Got a Valiant Signet over there. Modern Day Muscle Car. We got Pete, Fountain Valley Car Show. Pete, what's going on at Fountain Valley Car Show? That's the 22nd, right?
Coming up on the 22nd of June.
Yeah.
FBcarshow.com is the flyers.
All right. Better get registered. It's a good value.
As well.
Yeah.
Hope to see you there.
Online, yeah. We'll be there. You know me. I'll be there all day. I represent. Yeah. Wow, check this out, huh? It is van night. Is this the Ron Canberra Speed? It is Ron Canberra Speed Shop. What up, Ron? What are you doing, man? What's this van? What year is this van? 71. Dodge. Wow, look at this. This thing looked like you just took it off the showroom floor. What a night, huh? Yeah. Cool.
It's supposed to be van night tonight.
Yeah, it is van night. I thought it was going to be rock and roll. I thought it said band night, but I did not realize it's van now.
I thought
They're right up here.
Night. It's a bunch of jam. We're jamming.
Yeah. That'd be Ron Canberra Speed Shop in Orange. Look at that van. How nice is that? Wow. Yeah. We got Chris over here with his Challenger RT. I called him Rich the other night, or Chris. I don't know what I called him. I called him the wrong name, I know that. And then we got Larry's 68 GTX dual quads. He said it was van night, so he tricked me. He brought his GTX instead. But here we got Yvonne. Yvonne, what's going on?
Hey, I've got,
What do you got?
I got the ALS Garden Angels Racing for a Pure Car Show. It's going to come Saturday, June 29 at the Canyon RV Park.
Yeah.
And
Cool.
guess who's
Oh.
going to be covering our
Oh,
show?
holy, that guy. Oh, man, you let anybody
Dano
in.
Live is going to be there covering our show. So excited
Yeah.
for him to come and see you.
All right. Cool. Got to be here before we know it.
Yeah.
It's like a month
around the
away.
corner.
Yeah. Yeah.
So
All right.
everybody, come on out. Register your car.
Yeah. Get it done. Get it done. And bring a check, too.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thanks, Yvonne.
What up, Dano?
What up, Chris? I'd be calling you the wrong name on my other video. Yeah. Whoa! Wow, how does this Corvette get parked up here? Besides me, huh? Look at that. Wow, huh? Wow. And look at this Valiant. I had a 67 Signet. Mine had a 170 cubic inch 6-cylinder in it. This has got a big block in it. But I had one this year when I was a kid. Look at that. Yeah. Let's walk back down. Let's see. Yeah. Not a bird. Oh, is that not? Corvair Monza, look at that, huh? Drop top. Mercedes 4, I don't know how that rates, but it's here. Yeah, Mike. Larry. Larry, I thought you brought your van. So
No.
you got your GTX up there.
Yeah.
All right.
My buddy has all the vans in San Diego.
Oh, okay. All right.
4 70s Dodge vans.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
He was a big van guy back in the day,
Yeah.
but he's started over again.
But look at Ron Canberra's van right here, huh? How pretty cool is that?
1 Dodge and 350.
Octopus's Garden. Oh, okay. All right. Wow. How cool. Yeah. That'd be Ron Canberra's And all right, let's get down and cover the other end.
Heading to the beach here on Main Street, Garden Grove.
How about that? All right, let's roll it on here. There it is, huh? F100 coming in here. How about that? Looking good and pale yellow. Yeah, sweet. Let's get on down the line here. See what we got. That's slight cone, huh? Look at that. Mustang. Of course, the Monte Carlo. We see this Gary's Carl's Jr. Classic Car Show on Tuesdays. Then we got Rick Davenport, SCC represent. We saw Rick earlier. We had a talk with him. That big block, big heads. 396, I believe. And look at that. How about that? And a custom cab, F Series, F100. Look at that. That's sweet. Nice setup, orange tan interior. Then we got Mike Miller's 56 Bel Air Nomad, along with a 57 Bel Air Nomad. Two Nomads. We just needed a 55 parked in that spot. That would be nice. We could have 55, 56, and 57, but so we got that one best to show at Gary's on Tuesday. 66 El Camino. Mach 1. Of course, we got the Nomads again. This El Camino here's got a real hot rod, pulling pedals, pushing pedals, pulling gears rather. Your 5-liter Mustang. Look at that. We don't get to that Mustang if we didn't first get to a 40 Ford. You had to build the 40 before you got to 60s muscle car. How about that? We got a Ford Victoria. Another F100. Almost like it's F100 night. Falcon Sprint. Look at this. Isn't this pretty right here? Yeah, 4-cylinder. That is awesome. Yeah. It's like maybe about 35. Look at this one rolling down here, huh? And this dead on sweet. Yeah. And that, huh? What up, bruh? 38. How about that? Yeah, that's nice. And we got a 56 Mercury Montclair. We follow this down Garden Grove Boulevard. In the back it says Pokioki on it. I called it a 56. I meant to say a 55. I am corrected. This is Simone Club. You'll see this. I'll attach the video. As we roll down, rolled in. Look at that. Pokioki. How cool. Man, look at this. Another Chevy truck, small window. But how cool is this? Huh? Just like the book says. How awesome is this, huh? Where have you seen anything like this? Only on Dano Vision! You're probably saying, slow down a little bit. Oh, cool. And you know what? It's probably got a 4 on the fly, 3 pedals. Yeah, it's an import hot rod. Bucket seats. Seats for a little cozy, but it seats them. This will tell you all about it. Take one, please. Look at that little, appears to be a 2-cylinder motor. There's a tranny on top of it, on the side of it. This was before they put side mount engines in cars. They were way ahead of the game. How about that? There they are. 32 pulled in. But I just saw the 38 roll in here. That's what it is. Master Deluxe. Chevrolet, not a Ford, a bona fide Chevrolet. How about that? And look here.
Oh yeah.
Look at the difference between 1930s and then 1953. That is a 53, and it is a Post, not a Bel Air. It's got a, look at that, straight 6-cylinder, one barrel carb. Look at that. Yeah. Celebrated its 60th year last year, or 65th year last year. Yeah, huh? 3-speed, column shifter, 3 pedals. Chevy didn't yet have a V8, so this is why it's got a straight 6. That V8 came out in 55. So there you have it. There's our walkthrough. Historical Main Street, Garden Grove, California. Oh, hold on, we gotta catch some others I forgot to get. Hold on, let's go grab them. So I got sidetracked. I'm always rolling. I don't have much time to download and save stuff to file, so I end up filling up my hard drives, and I got a 128 gig hard drive in here, and that's full. So it happened to shut off. So I had to delete some videos real quick so I can make room for the video from tonight. So I walked around recording. I thought I was, but I wasn't recording. So I've had to go back and redo. So a lot of things are going to get patched together tonight, and that is time consuming. And here I thought I had the night off because Gary's Classic Car Show, we had to cancel it due to loss of key. Nobody showed up with the Elks Club key. So that gets me over here on Garden Grove, Main Street, a little closer to home, where I thought I was going to have an easy night. I'm busy. If you saw Drive Magazine, get yourself a free copy. This is on the cover. Yeah, you'll see him at Dano Derrickson tomorrow in the morning. He always shows up. Now watch, he won't be there tomorrow, but typically he does show up. And a couple C10s, the 72 Cheyenne 350, another C10 right back there. So there you have it. Garden Grove, Circle Main Street, California. Live on Dano Vision. Yeah. I just had to look at this one more time. Look at that half steering wheel. Look at that. It's got a T-bar shifter. And it's got 3 pedals. How about that? The bona fide van hot rod. It's got set up with Kragers. Oh, cool. Octopus's Garden. Ron Camber rolled in with this. Look at the back of this one right here. Huh? That cool? Look at that. Alrighty. Gotta roll. Down live.